Hey guys, so today I'm at work right now, but I came into the bathroom because this is where there's the best lighting. If you hear the echo, it's because I'm in the bathroom, like I said. Get my lashes done. Y según I was supposed to go on Friday, to which is tomorrow. Right now, she texted me asking me if I had time today. So I told her I have time after I'm off work. So I'm gonna go in at 4:30. Today's the day I decided to put eye makeup on, and like I'm not supposed to have any on, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I need to take this off, and I only have water, bruh, to take it off. So I mean, I think it'll come off fine, but I'm still gonna have like residue, and she better not. But while I'm there, I think after I'm done, I'm gonna go to either Marshalls or TJ Maxx to like check it out and see what I can find, because I need to get a new moisturizer for my face, because currently I've been wearing sunscreen as my moisturizer, low-key, and I feel like even though my skin doesn't look too bad, I only have a little breakout right there. I feel like I need moisture because my skin feel like it doesn't feel dry, but I can tell when it's like moisturized and when it's dry. So a moisturizer, and then I have to look for some things for my sister for her confirmation. I think I'm gonna get her a little gift. I have not told her that I'm gonna get her a gift, so it's gonna be a little like tiny surprise or whatever. So I'll see if I can find her like a necklace or like some earrings or something, or even a ring. So since I have eye makeup, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a servieta. This is what I do when I don't have like makeup wipes or remover on me. Just cut in half, and then I'm gonna wet this. I have to make sure the water's warm, because if it's cold, it's not gonna work. But dang, my eyelid is looking good today too. This freaking water's taking forever to warm up. Bro, why is it getting colder? I think I'm here because for some reason the sink up there wasn't getting warm. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe off the eyeshadow that I have on there already, because that comes off like just by wiping it off with something dry. And I take my servieta with the warm water, and I'm just gonna pretend this has freaking makeup remover on it. Like I went all out too. Like I've put concealer and everything. I don't usually like, well, sometimes honestly I do be pulling my eyelashes when I'm taking it off this way, but usually what I do is I just like rub my fingers like that and it comes off. The good thing is that the mascara I'm wearing is not waterproof, so I'm not struggling really. So I try to get as much as I could off, but you can tell like there's like that shadow. My eyes are so freaking dry now. There's like freaking papelito flakes on my eyeballs. And today is the day my ojeras, they wanted to be an appearance. I look terrible, honestly, but yeah. So I'll catch you guys on my way there once I'm heading out. So I'm heading out right now. I'm on my way. There's no cars in front of me right now, but I hope I don't hit any traffic yet. I'll see y'all when I'm there. I just got to my destination. I was already on my way here, and like when I'm on the way here, like there's some like the service is like kind of sketchy. So once I got service, I got her message. She's like, can you please come in at 5? And I'm just like, bruh, I guess, like I'm already there, I'm not just gonna say no. So I was like, okay, whatever, like I'll wait. I'm just hoping que no me las pone las pestañas like todo a mala gana, you know. I'm finally done. I was done like at around like 7. This is what they're looking like. This one's kind of a little bit weird right there. It's like slanted. But my eyes, okay, they're going down, but they were way more red. They're a little bit irritated right now, but I actually like them. They look so much better than how they looked the first time I got them. The film were so very dramatic. Like right now they're like long obviously, but they're not so dramatic in like volume. So I think the ones that I got the first time were more volume, but these ones are like the wet classic. Yeah, I felt bad though because like towards the end when she was doing this, oh my gosh, like it was starting to water so bad. Like my eyes were just crying. It was like burning me really badly too. So I was like, oh my gosh. Like I felt bad because she was like wiping my eyes, and like she was like putting the fan on them, and like it was so bad. But oh, and another thing, like at the very beginning when she was first starting, like my eyes would not stop twitching. Like I had them and they just kept twitching so bad. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry that my eyes are being like this. Like I was low-key feeling embarrassed. I was like, why are my eyes acting up so bad right now? So bad that like I could, like, you know, like when you like half open your eyes, I could see like they were twitching so bad I could like actually see. They weren't even closed at that point. But she's a real one for freaking working with me, because I feel like my eyes were going crazy today for no reason. I don't even know why, but it's finally done. So I've really liked them this time though. Might put a picture so like you can see how they looked the first time I got them compared to this time. It takes me a minute to get used to myself with lashes though, because obviously I don't have freaking lashes, and then when I get them it's like, whoa. So I did just go into TJ Maxx. I came out, I just grabbed a couple things I needed. I didn't really look at clothes or anything, I just looked at the skin stuff, and then I got something that my sister needed. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got inside of TJ Maxx real quick. So it's just a few things. I saw this when I was checking out, but it's like mango. It's lightly sweetened dried mango slices. So it's just dry mango. It was only $4.99, so I got this. I also got detox tonic. So this is like a toner, Skin Proud detox tonic daily exfoliating toner with 5% lactic acid and glycolic acid. So I hope my skin likes this stuff, because sometimes my skin be acting up with certain things. And then I've run out of moisturizer. I told you guys I had been kind of using just sunscreen for moisturizer. So I saw this in there, and it's honey cheese face cream. So it's supposed to moisturize, plump, and nourish. I don't know. Just because it said honey cheese face cream just kind of like caught my attention. So I was like, why not? Why not try it, you know? This one was $6.99 and this one was $3.99. So this is like one of those like Japanese face creams. Usually the like Japanese Korean products like work with my skin really well. Just like a little gift for her confirmation, and it's like little butterflies, little butterfly hoops. I know she likes hoops, and I thought these ones were really cute, so I hope she likes them. But I think she will. But this is what I got for her, and that's really all I got. I think I am gonna go home already. It's about to be 8, so yeah. So I actually ended up cutting out part of the video that I was gonna put in. I thought it was kind of too random and not very complete. So in this next clip you guys are about to see, I'm just kind of starting off randomly, no intro or anything. I forgot to mention, but the next clips are about 4 days later. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself my smoothie that I make. This is like super like just quick and like really simple ingredients. I don't know, I probably everyone else makes their like shakes like this, but this is how I make mine. So I just put some fruit in there. That's good. Because sometimes when I put too much fruit in there, it's too icy. Y luego no me lo puedo tomar. And then usually what I do with my yogurt is Greek yogurt. I just mix it up, mix it creamy. 1 cucharada of this. And then this protein, isolate whey protein. Grab 1 big scoop of it. Like this. Full one. And I just put it in there. And this has, Seguna has 30 grams of protein per serving, which is 1 scoop. It's 1 serving. So, I don't know. And then I put milk in there. I just, any milk we have, almond milk, whole milk, 2%, 1%, whatever. I just put whatever milk in there. I feel like I like mine with milk more, because like, I feel like with water, I don't know, I feel like there's a better flavor with it, on it when it's with milk. So I just turn it on. I think that should be good. We're close to 40 6 grams of protein per smoothie. So that's actually a pretty decent amount. So this is my shake in the morning. And it's bomb. All I have to do is sweep everything. I just have to sweep the living room and the kitchen, and then I can go move on to my room. Because I wanted to get everything cleaned up out here before the room, because if my mom gets home, she'll be like, bro, why didn't you clean? Everything's a mess. So I'm gonna just finish drinking my smoothie, and then I'm gonna sweep, and that's it. Okay, so I just finished sweeping the living room. My sister and her friend are here for lunch, so I'm gonna just kitchen in a bit. I have to finish washing the dishes anyways, so I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna use this mold control because there's like spots on this, and I think it's because of my towel, because I always leave my wet towel up there and it hits against that and it gets moldy. So I'm just gonna spray everything off. I feel like I haven't cleaned this door in who knows how long, but we're cleaning it now. And I'm just gonna take this trapo and I'm gonna just clean this whole thing off. So here's my door clean for the most part. It was like really bad right here. It was like super like brown, and then I tried to spray those down, and this was really dirty. It was like literally a dark spot, so I cleaned out everything off. And now I'm gonna figure out a new way to hang up all my stuff, because I feel like that was not even organized anymore. It was so messy. So I'm just gonna clean this off really quickly and hang it back up.
I can't do nothing with you.
So this is what the door looks like now. I try to put my bags that have name brands on them on the door, and then I don't really like that bag there, but I'm just gonna have it there for now. I'll probably hang that up on the doorknob. But yeah, that's how it looks. So much better, I hope. And then I'm gonna wash my bed sheets, and I just stripped my bed, and it's just all this stuff. It's gonna be my workout outfit. And then I'm gonna reorganize my squishes. So I'm gonna put the yellow one away, and I might put one of these away, put it back up there, and then just have a couple in my bed. Once my sheets are done, I'm gonna put them back on, fix the bed, and yeah. So I finally finished washing the shoes I was gonna wash. Also, I'm washing my bed sheets, so I'm putting, since it's like really sunny right now and it's like perfect weather to air dry my stuff. So I'll show you my shoes here. I washed 3 pairs of sandals and then 1 pair of running shoes. So here's the chunkless I washed. I washed my white Birks, my wool Birks, and then my just like regular like sandal type Birks. The botella casually there, but all cleaned up. I washed these white running shoes and they look brand new. I was gonna wash my Vans, but sometimes I hate washing Vans because the soap never comes out all the way. So now I decided I'm gonna clean my vanity off. It's pretty dusty and it's dirty, so I'll clean inside the drawer I have on it. And I'm also going to organize it up again. So I'll show you guys a before. This is a before, so it's like not too bad. I just need to clear it off a little bit. I have my face washer charging here, and then I'm gonna clean this mirror because look at this mirror. It's embarrassing how dirty it is. Look, stains everywhere, dustiness. So this is what she's looking like before. And this is after. It's the same setup, but it's just all cleaned up and organized. I organized my earrings right here, and then this is all organized and cleaned out, and then this is all nice and clean. There's a couple dust particles on there, but you know, it's all clean now. And I also ended up cleaning this because this is another mirror. It's a mini fridge, but I'll clean this off. So I'm about to fix my bed. My sheets just finished washing and everything. Everything's ready to be put on. Put my sheets, and then I'm gonna put my comforter and all that good stuff on there. So you'll see.
I can't do nothing with you.
And I think I'm gonna cut off the video here. I don't really have very much to do anymore, and it's not really entertaining to record. So make sure you like it and subscribe. Please subscribe. Like, if you subscribe, you're a real one. I have, I think, 27 subscribers. So I don't know, maybe we can gain a couple more from this video. And if you haven't yet, check out the rest of my videos. They are all, just go to my channel and just start clicking on them and watching them. There's some pretty good ones in there. Some of them are boring, but I don't know, you may like them even if they're boring. So yeah, see you later.